all, it's Sharon. In today's video, I want to share this dough kit that I put together for Nate. I happen to watch the Purple Alphabet, and Christina over there puts together these amazing Tinker Tray dough kits. I'm going to link her channel down below and her playlist of her Tinker dough boxes as well. I think it's an absolutely fantastic idea. So mine is going to be like a rainbow stem box, and I put a lot of small loose parts in here for Nate to build and create things with. I think it's perfect for that imaginative play. So I'll just share with you all what I put in my box. So the box itself came from Michaels. It's just one of their 12 by 12 containers, and I decided to do a rainbow themed one because it's the start of Holi, which is the festival of colors, and then rainbows for St. Patrick's Day. So I also have St. Patrick's Day themed items in here. So when you open it up, this is what Nate will see. Now I'd probably just let him pick one or two containers at a time, and then some dough and some other accessories, maybe three. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is open up the containers and share with you all what's inside each little container. The little containers are from Dollarama, and then I'll share also what else is in the box. So we're just going to open this first one here. So all these items I just found around my house, and most of them I've previously purchased from like Dollaramas, Dollar Trees, local little dollar stores. So these wooden shape pieces came from Puzzles from Dollar Tree. Then we have these mini little clothespins, and then these came from like a little marble game that Nate had. So in kind of the St. Patrick's Day colors. Gems from Amazon, sorry for that glare, and then some large pony beads, and I also have these little counting chips from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, you can lace the beads onto the other items like pipe cleaners and strings, and so you can press the little gems into the Play-Doh as long and with the beads as well. So that's in this container. So we're also studying dinosaurs at the moment, so I pulled out these colorful dinosaurs that came in a kit from Amazon, and then I have these colorful pom-poms that came from a local store from where my mom lives, up in Walkerton, Ontario. So in these two containers, this one I have these little wooden blocks, and they came from Dollarama, and then I have these little tiny shamrocks. They also came from Dollarama, and then this came off a glow necklace. You put the glow sticks through it, so I thought he can press this into the Play-Doh if you would like. And do keep in mind when you're making these kind of kits, keep in mind the age of the child and make sure that there are no potential choking hazards. Nate is no longer oral because he's 6, so these parts are perfect for him. So these next two containers, this one contained these glow-in-the-dark stones from Dollarama, and these rocks that say luck and believe, and I also had some of these small little popsicle sticks in the rainbow colors. And then in this container I have these little viewfinders that are red, yellow, and green, so I could change the color of objects when Nate's looking at them. Then we have green and yellow buttons, and then I have these orange little chips. They just came from a little game that we had. We have these coins here which came from the Dollar Tree. We had these when we did our pirates, and then we also have the green ones that came from Dollarama that have the little shamrock on it. I have Nate's little tweezers in here as well because I thought if you want to pick up smaller items, and you know it's great for that fine motor as well, so I included those. So for the actual dough, I have some Play-Doh. So I have this green color, I have an orange, and then this is kind of a darker yellow color. And then we are doing dinosaurs, so I included Nate's Hot Wheel that looks like a Stegosaurus, so I thought he could roll it in the Play-Doh if you would like. I have a whole bunch of rainbow colored pipe cleaners, so he could build things out of this with the Play-Doh and then add beads if you would like. And then I also have a bunch of strings. These came from Dollarama. And then we have some of these large popsicle sticks, also from Dollarama. And then these straws came from Party City, I just pulled out the rainbow colored ones. You know, these could become fences or something, you know, for the dinosaurs. And the beauty of these types of boxes is that the child could be really creative and add any items that they want and build all kinds of different things. So I really like that. I also included these 2 dice from the Dollar Tree, so he could also roll the dice and count out items and then press them into the Play-Doh if he would like. I have his, I have his kind of orange and green marble, so I thought he could roll that to flatten out his Play-Doh if he would like. And then we have this little pot. These come out for Halloween and for St. Patrick's Day at the Dollar Tree. They usually come in a 5-pack. It's a little cauldron. So I thought, you know, he could put the Play-Doh in here and then use the pipe cleaners and make little flowers or something, like a little flower pot. And then there's these 2 little bracelets from Dollarama. And the last item in this box is this bowl. It's just green. It came from IKEA, but it has the shamrock on there. So again, this could be a surface, and then he can build on top of that. You could also provide the child a tray, and they can build on that as well, or they can just work on their table. So I really hope you liked this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you next one. Take care, and bye for now.